Did you know that many of the foods we eat can also heal our bodies? It's true. The vibrant colors and fresh flavors of vegetables are not just a feast for the eyes and taste buds, but they also offer a treasure trove of health benefits. Vegetables in particular are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help us fight disease and stay healthy. Broccoli, for instance, is rich in vitamin C and fiber, while bell peppers are loaded with antioxidants that combat inflammation. Tomatoes, with their lycopene content, are known to support heart health. For centuries, people have used vegetables as natural medicine. Ancient civilizations recognized the healing properties of plants and incorporated them into their daily lives. From the Egyptians to the Greeks, vegetables played a crucial role in traditional remedies. Today, science is proving just how powerful these healing foods can be. Researchers are continually discovering new ways that vegetables can improve our health, from boosting our immune system to reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Let's explore the world of medicinal vegetables and discover how they can help us live longer, healthier lives. Imagine the possibilities when you grow your own vegetables, knowing that each one is a step towards better health. Imagine your kitchen garden as a pharmacy filled with nature's remedies. From vibrant green spinach to crunchy orange carrots, each vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients. Spinach is packed with iron and vitamins, while carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is essential for good vision. Each vegetable offers unique health benefits. Leafy greens like kale and Swiss chard are excellent sources of calcium and magnesium, supporting bone health. Root vegetables like beets and sweet potatoes provide energy and improve digestion. These natural wonders are not just delicious additions to our meals, but powerful allies in our quest for well-being. Sharing a meal rich in vegetables can bring families together and create lasting memories, all while promoting a healthy lifestyle. By incorporating a variety of vegetables into our diet, we can unlock a world of healing potential and take charge of our health. Whether it's a colorful salad, a hearty soup, or a refreshing smoothie, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the power of vegetables and transform your kitchen garden into a sanctuary of health and vitality. Spinach, the leafy green superhero, is famous for its incredible strength-boosting powers, just like Popeye. But did you know that spinach is also a powerful blood builder? Spinach is rich in iron, a mineral that is essential for healthy red blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen throughout our bodies, giving us energy and keeping us alive. When our bodies don't have enough iron, we can develop a condition called anemia. Anemia can make us feel tired, weak, and short of breath. Eating plenty of iron-rich foods like spinach can help prevent and treat anemia. So next time you're feeling tired, reach for a healthy serving of spinach and power up your blood. Carrots are known for their bright orange color and sweet, crunchy taste. But carrots are much more than just a tasty snack. They are also a powerhouse of nutrition, especially for our eyes. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that our bodies convert into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for good vision, especially in low-light conditions. Eating carrots regularly can help improve our night vision and protect our eyes from age-related damage. So remember to include carrots in your diet and enjoy the benefits of clear, healthy vision for years to come. While spinach and carrots are nutritional superstars, they are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the healing power of vegetables. The plant kingdom offers a vast and diverse pharmacy of natural remedies waiting to be discovered. From garlic's ability to boost the immune system to ginger's power to soothe an upset stomach, each vegetable has its unique set of medicinal properties. By incorporating a wide range of vegetables into our meals, we can harness their combined power to improve our overall health and well-being. Let's delve deeper into the world of medicinal vegetables and explore the specific benefits of some other notable healers. Section 5. Garlic, the ancient remedy. Garlic, a pungent bulb used in cuisines worldwide, has been recognized for its medicinal properties for centuries. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians and Greeks, used garlic to treat a variety of ailments, from infections to heart disease. Modern science has confirmed many of garlic's health benefits, attributing them to a compound called allicin. Allicin is a powerful antimicrobial agent that can help boost the immune system and fight off infections. Studies have shown that garlic consumption can reduce the risk of colds and flu, lower blood pressure, and even help prevent certain types of cancer. Adding garlic to your meals is a flavorful way to boost your health. Section 6. Ginger, soothing the stomach. Ginger, a knobby root with a spicy kick, is a popular ingredient in Asian cuisine and a well-known remedy for digestive issues. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which have anti-inflammatory and anti-nausea properties. Ginger has been used for centuries to relieve nausea, vomiting, and motion sickness. Studies have shown that ginger can be as effective as some anti-nausea medications without the side effects. Ginger can be consumed fresh, powdered, or as a tea. Adding ginger to your diet can be a delicious way to soothe your stomach and improve digestion. Section 7. Turmeric, the golden spice of life. Turmeric, a bright yellow spice commonly used in Indian cuisine, has gained immense popularity in recent years for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is a powerful antioxidant that has been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to many chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Adding turmeric to your diet can be a delicious way to reduce inflammation and protect your body from disease. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, and collard greens are nutritional powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are excellent sources of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, iron, and calcium. Leafy greens are also rich in fiber, which is essential for digestive health and can help lower cholesterol levels. Incorporating a variety of leafy greens into your diet can provide numerous health benefits, including improved heart health, reduced risk of type 2 diabetes, and protection against certain types of cancer. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage are known for their distinctive sulfur-containing compounds, which give them their slightly bitter taste. These compounds have been shown to have powerful cancer-fighting properties. Studies have linked the consumption of cruciferous vegetables to a reduced risk of several types of cancer, including lung, colon, and breast cancer. Adding these vegetables to your diet can provide valuable protection against this devastating disease. One of the best ways to ensure you are getting a wide range of nutrients from your vegetables is to eat the rainbow. This means incorporating a variety of colorful vegetables into your diet, each offering unique health benefits. Different colored vegetables contain different phytonutrients, which are plant compounds that have beneficial effects on our health. These phytonutrients can help protect against chronic diseases, boost your immune system, and improve overall well-being. For example, red vegetables like tomatoes are rich in lycopene, which is linked to a reduced risk of prostate cancer. Lycopene is also known for its antioxidant properties, which help protect your cells from damage. Orange vegetables like carrots are high in beta-carotene, which is important for eye health. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, which is essential for maintaining good vision, a healthy immune system, and proper functioning of the heart, lungs, and kidneys. Green vegetables like spinach are packed with folate, which is essential for cell growth and development. Folate is particularly important for pregnant women, as it helps prevent birth defects and supports the growth of the baby. By choosing a variety of colorful vegetables, you can ensure that you are getting a wide range of nutrients that will support your overall health and well-being. Not only do these vegetables add vibrant colors to your plate, but they also provide a delicious and nutritious way to maintain a balanced diet. So next time you're at the market, remember to eat the rainbow for a healthier you. Incorporating a variety of medicinal vegetables into your daily diet is a powerful way to take control of your health and well-being. These vibrant, nutrient-packed foods are not just delicious, but they are also essential for maintaining optimal health. From boosting your immune system to protecting against chronic diseases, vegetables offer a wealth of healing benefits. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work together to support your body's natural defenses. So embrace the power of nature's medicine cabinet and make vegetables a cornerstone of your daily diet. Whether you grow your own, shop at a local farmer's market, or buy from the grocery store, the key is to choose a wide variety of colorful vegetables. Your body will thank you for it. Not only will you feel more energized, but you'll also be taking proactive steps to prevent illnesses and improve your overall quality of life. Remember, the key to reaping the full benefits of medicinal vegetables is to consume a variety of them regularly. Each type of vegetable offers unique health benefits, so mix and match to get the most out of your meals. Aim to include vegetables in every meal and snack. Start your day with a veggie-packed omelette. Enjoy a hearty salad for lunch, and add a side of steamed or roasted vegetables to your dinner. And don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes and preparation methods. Try grilling, steaming, roasting, or even blending them into smoothies. The possibilities are endless. With a little creativity, you can easily incorporate more of these healing foods into your diet and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life. So start today and embrace the power of veggies for a better tomorrow. For more interesting facts and tips on healthy living, don't forget to subscribe to the eGreen channel. Stay informed, stay healthy.